The industry has a lot of problems right now. It's an analog industry, it's still push supply. We're working on solving those problems.
Which, by the way, it's a $1.3 trillion industry,
It's a
according
monster.
to the U.S. Department of Agriculture.
And unfortunately, there's 60% economic waste. 40% of produce actually perishes. That's enough to solve world hunger. So by bringing digitization, bringing financing and insurance products, we're able to start to attack that waste for the benefit of the end consumer.
And can you tell me exactly how ProducePay is helping the environment?
We started with the farms. So we really thought that if we can finance farms, if we can bring operating practice improvement and really surround the farm, that we'll get pulled through and we'll create efficiency across the supply chain. If you think about moving this global industry of produce, sometimes from the southern hemisphere to the northern hemisphere, that's done through cold storage. It's terrible for the environment. So any inefficiencies in cold storage warehouses or trucks is just brutal for the environment.
And you're here at the New York Stock Exchange, the epicenter of the global financial markets. What would you like to tell investors?
You know, I think this is a great time to be looking at ag tech overall, not just us. Ag tech has got a supply and demand macro issue, so we need more help with efficiency so we can drive inflation down permanently.
And how can consumers contribute to sustainable agriculture from your point of view?
I think consumers need to demand more out of their grocery retailers. If you go to the farmer's market, you see a different quality tomato than you do at your grocery store.
Yep.
You know, organic produce that goes through the mass market is actually treated with ozone. A lot of people don't know these secrets of, dark secrets sometimes of our industry. Let me give you an example. Bell peppers. What's a fully ripened bell pepper in color?
Green?
Nope.
What is it?
Yellow, orange, and red.
What?
Every green bell pepper will eventually become yellow, orange, and red, taste better, sweeter, have antioxidants, healthier for you. Why do we harvest green bell peppers? The green ones, bitter, right? They don't have the same taste.
It's a different
That's
taste,
a preservative, so that we have more time to ship it before it perishes.
So can you tell me about more future initiatives and what we can look out for?
Yeah, so as we think about produce, one of the big problems, small and mid-sized farms rank 60 to 70% of the world's farms. Those folks don't have the ability to deal with disruption. Think about weather, think about supply and demand, which impacts global pricing. We need to help those folks. So the idea that your business goes bust every 8 years because you're a small farm and you can't manage that volatility, that's unacceptable to us. So what we're intending to do is bring insurance product, future price products to market to take that volatility off of the farm and house it with professionals like reinsurance providers that know how to manage that risk.
Fantastic, all good things.
We think so.
Thank you so much, Patrick, for
Thank
being
you.
here today.
Thanks for the time.
Of course.